Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to be here and share with you some insight on teenagers' expression of nationalism talk batik on social media, a TikTok case study. I'm represent Budi Luhur University. My name is Khair Faramulya and my friend Dr. Nawira Vera. Introduction. In First, digital nationalism, TikTok is increasingly dominating Indonesian teenager behaviors, allowing them to express self-identity of showcase cultural pride, including batik in visual form. Two, batik modernization. Teenagers integrated batik into daily fashion with creative, trendy expression, shifting batik perspective from formal attire to a modern lifestyle symbol. Three, role of social media trend. TikTok challenge and viral content to instrumental is respecting your nationalism, promoting cultural pride through digital network. For research opportunity, previous studies focus on batik e-commerce or its role in public space in study bridge gap by examining batik as a digital expression of nationalism. Background. Teenager and TikTok phenomenon. Creative outlet, teenagers utilize TikTok as a tool to burst creativity and cultural pride by producing batik-related content. Two, viral challenges. Interactive trend like dance and challenges integrated batik, turning it into a shared cultural expression. Three, accessibility. TikTok algorithm bridges geographic and social boundaries, making batik popular among diverse audience. Batik as a national symbol. First, both modern reinterpretation, batik is redefined is as a contemporary fashion that resonates with youth while preventing its traditional essence. Two, expression of pride. Wearing batik is perceived as a visual statement or cultural and nationalistic pride for teenagers. Three, symbolism and identity. Batik acts as a conduit for your pupils to explore and assert their identity within a globalized digital space. Research gaps. First, lack of contextualization. Current studies do not analyze the use of batik specifically as a medium for teenage nationalism on TikTok. To offer a piece on marketing. Previous research focused on batik marketing strategies rather than its cultural and nationalistic significance. Three, work connection to nationalism. Limited exploration how batik serves as a symbol of national identity among teenagers on social media. For digital spare neglect, research on batik generally overlook its transformation as a digital representation of cultural within platforms like TikTok. Five, essence of your centric analysis. Studies generally miss insight into your younger generation reinterpret and adopt batik in everyday and digital context. Methodology. Data collection. First, in-depth interview conducted with two key informants focusing on how they express nationalism through batik on TikTok. Participant observation. Observation how Poltekkes Kemenkes Banten student create batik relate TikTok content to identify pattern in their creativity. Three, content documentation. Analyze TikTok videos showcasing batik to understand thematic element like trend and cultural pride. Sampling criteria. First, active TikTok user. Informant where teenagers actively creating and engaging with batik-related content on TikTok. Two, age and academic setting. Participant were your age 18 to 32 student of Poltekkes Kemenkes Banten reflecting the target demographic. Three, daily batik use. Informant regularly wore batik in both academic setting and content creation. trying it into their modern and digital life. Result and diffusion. Meaning of batik for teenager. Batik is cultural pride. Teenagers see batik as a embodiment of national pride, appreciating it their cultural and artistic value as part of their identity. Symbol of modern lifestyle. Batik has a transcend its traditional root, becoming integrated into the casual modern lifestyle of Generation Z or Gen Z. Personal connection, emotional connection from childhood make batik a significant cultural symbol for teenagers, representing Indonesian identity. TikTok as a medium for digital nationalism. First, social visibility. TikTok empower teenagers to showcase batik creatively, making it visible and relatable within their peer group. Two, trend application. Viral content like challenges, dance, and hashtag Batik Day have redefined batik identity among online community. Community building. TikTok fosters supportive space where users share knowledge about batik, promoting its popularity and cultural relevance. Creativity and innovation in batik. Modernization of design. Batik with vibrant color and bold contemporary pattern prelude while maintaining traditional motif. Two, integration with accessories. Innovative application of batik in items like phone, case, and footwear reflect evolving cultural expression. Youth-driven fashion trend. Young designers use TikTok to test and popularize creative batik design, bridging heritage with modern aesthetic. Social media influence. Influence impact. Popular TikTok creator influence how teenagers perceive batik, often making it the fashionable statement. Trend-driven interaction. Content algorithm and virality significantly shape your engagement with batik-related themes. Cultural reaffirmation. Social media amplified awareness of batik, cultural significance, transforming it into everyday nationalism. Implication. Cultural prevention policies. Integrating digital campaign. Propose collaborating with influencers to create engaging content promoting batik on TikTok as a cultural identity. Youth targeted strategy. Design polish the alike with Gen Z social media habit to sustain engagement with batik. Addressing commodification. Establish guidelines to balance batik commercialization with preserving its cultural essence. Educational opportunities. Batik in curricula. Recommend embedding batik art and history into education program for a hand-on cultural experience. Workshop and competition. Organize batik themes workshop or TikTok content, creating content to foster interest among students. Linking traditional to practicality. Highlight batik relevant in modern professional and social setting through interactive learning. Innovation in batik design. Merging traditional and trends. Encourage modern design to combine traditional motif with trending fashion element for broader apparel. Sustainable design practice. Advocate for eco-friendly batik production method to attract social conscious, expanding accessories, suggest integrating batik design to lifestyle item like phone case and backpack to make them relatable to teenagers. Challenges. Commodification and virality. Risk of oversimplification. Overlapping has using batik virality to TikTok may reduce its cultural and historical significance to a mere commodity. Monetization pressure to drive to secure life and follower may overshadow the deeper symbolic value of batik. Superficial engagement. Viral trend often priority surface level aesthetic, risking to neglect of batik heritage and artistry. Trend fatigue. Ephemeral popularity, young interest in batik might decline as newer trend emerge, compromising a stagnant cultural appreciation. Short-lived engagement. The dynamic nature of social media trends can make a challenges to maintain consistent enthusiasm for batik. Lack to institution support. Without structural program released of flattening trend may hinder long-term cultural preservation. Nah, balancing authentication with modernity. First, dilution of tradition. Excessive focus on modern style might erode the authenticity of traditional batik motif. Two, bridging generation. Finding a balance between preserving batik root while appealing to contemporary taste is crucial. Creative responsibility. Designer it influence must innovative responsibility to keep batik relevant without losing its cultural essence. Conclusion. Future research direction. First, longitudinal studies. Conduct extend studies to access to long-term influence of batik on youth identity, their sustained culture affiliation in evolving social media landscape. Two, comparative cultural symbol. Investigate how other cultural symbols such as gamelan or wayang are represented and embraced by young with digital platform like TikTok. Third, cross-cultural perspective. Explore how Indonesia batik is served globally on TikTok compared to other international traditional textile. Identifying factor for cultural resonance. Impact of social media algorithm. Analyze how TikTok algorithm influence the visibility and virality of batik content and a role in shaping teen participation. Community and peer influence. Examine the role of TikTok-based community in encouraging sustained cultural engagement and how case interaction shape collective digital nationalism. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.